This is my 10-minute dinner formula when I want something that's nutritious, easy, and leaves me no mess to clean up. Number 1, I need my Gourmetific cookware set because I need one pan that can do it all. And for the rest of the formula, I always make sure I have a protein, carb, and vegetables. So tonight we're doing shrimp gnocchi with vegetables. It's gonna be super delicious. One thing I love about these ceramic pans is that they're completely non-stick. You just need a little bit of oil and nothing is gonna stick to it. I've got my garlic and gnocchi in the pan. I'm gonna cover it for a bit while I finish chopping my vegetables. Now that that's all cooked a little, I'm gonna throw my veggies straight into the same pan. We're only using one today. Now today we're keeping everything on the stove, but one thing I love about this set is that it has detachable handles, so you can put the pan straight into the oven too. It looks super nourishing, everything's cooking nicely, evenly, and nothing's sticking to the pan. And that's it, I've got a delicious meal in 10 minutes with hardly any cleanup. Now today I'm planning on eating everything, but this set also has Tupperware lids, so you can store leftovers straight into the fridge. Also, this is the pan before I've cleaned it. Literally nothing sticks. So that's my 10-minute dinner formula. It's simple, healthy, and something I can actually stick to even after a long day.